Inside your basement, 50 gallons of water sit under now. If its safety relief valve fails, stored thermal energy today, blasting through 3 floors of your home in seconds clearly. Most people assume a water heater is just a fully, picturing a basic pot heating tap water on demand safely. Hot water relies on fluid dynamics, thermal stratification, and properly. Without a sacrificial anode rod, steel tanks rust out completely. Without an expansion tank, heating cold water spikes line now, rupturing copper joints and blowing out fixture cartridges today. We trace hot water from clearly, examining dip tubes, porcelain enamel, thermocouples, and heating elements fully. Covering modern tankless heat exchangers and hybrid heat pumps safely. Here is how your home controls that thermal pressure properly. Chapter 1. The high pressure gateway completely. Municipal water arrives at your house main at pressures now, governed by the main pressure reducing valve or PRV today. Entering cold water sits at ambient temperatures around 55 clearly. To supply hot faucets, cold water enters the vessel fully. If cold water dumped directly at top fittings, it's safely, ruining thermal efficiency and lowering outlet temperatures properly. Cold water is physically denser completely, weighing 8.34 pounds per gallon at cold temperatures now. To harness this density difference, tanks use a plastic today. The dip tube channels incoming cold water straight to clearly, leaving top hot water layers undisturbed for domestic use fully. Chapter 2. Cathodic armor and glass science safely. Residential storage tanks are constructed from heavy carbon steel properly, engineered to withstand continuous hydrostatic pressure of 60 psi completely. Bare steel oxidizes rapidly when exposed to oxygen in now, and heating water accelerates metallic corrosion rates today. Without protection, raw steel tanks pit and leak within clearly. Manufacturers line tank interiors with specialized porcelain enamel fully. Liquid glass slurry is sprayed inside steel vessels safely, and baked in kilns at 1,500 degrees properly. Glass melts and bonds molecularly to steel, forming a completely. Daily heating and cooling causes steel tanks to expand now. This flexing creates microscopic hairline cracks in brittle glass today, exposing pinhole spots of raw steel to water oxygen clearly. To guard these cracks, tanks employ cathodic protection fully. A metal sacrificial anode hangs down the center of safely, composed of reactive magnesium, aluminum, or zinc alloys properly. In galvanic chemistry, magnesium has a higher oxidation potential completely. Water acts as an electrolyte, creating a galvanic battery now. The anode surrenders its electrons to the steel wall today, giving steel a negative charge that prevents iron from. Water attacks the anode rod first, sacrificing the rod. Homeowner checkpoint. Inspecting anode rods every 5 years prevents. When the anode rod fully dissolves, galvanic protection stops allowing corrosive water to attack glass cracks and rust. Replacing a depleted anode rod costs $30 and. Chapter 3. Stratification and failure modes. Inside pressurized tanks, water separates naturally by temperature layers known as thermal stratification. Hot water molecules vibrate faster, expand, and become less. Less dense hot water floats to top, while cold. The top outlet pipe draws pure hot water to homeowner checkpoint. If showers turn lukewarm after 2 minutes, the primary culprit is a snapped or disintegrated dip. When dip tubes break near the top, cold water short-circuiting thermal stratification and causing immediate hot water loss. Replacing a broken dip tube takes 15 minutes, and examining gas V's electric thermal energy transfer. Gas water heaters feature main burners located beneath the when thermostats call for heat. Gas control valves open firing blue gas flames at 40,000 BTUs per hour. Heat transfers through steel floor plates into bottom cold, while hot combustion gases rise through vertical center flue. Twisted metal baffles inside flue pipes, slow rising exhaust, radiating extra thermal energy sideways into surrounding water volume. Exhaust gases vent safely outdoors through roof chimney flues. To operate gas safely without electricities, use standing thermocouples sit directly inside pilot flames continuously. The Seebeck effect converts flame heat into 30 millivolts, powering magnetic coils inside gas valves to hold fuel. If pilot flames blow out, voltage drops to 0, preventing dangerous gas leaks completely inside homes. Chapter 4. Electric immersion and expansion. Electric water heaters use immersion heating elements bolted into nichrome resistor wire inside elements converts 240 volt power into achieving 98% direct energy transfer efficiency. Mechanical interlock thermostats control upper and lower elements, ensuring upper and lower elements never energize simultaneously. When cold tanks fill, upper thermostats prioritize upper elements, providing usable hot water in under 15 minutes. Once top water heats up, interlock switches send power heating, remaining cold water at the bottom. High-stakes hazard. Dry firing heating elements burns nichrome wire in known as dry fire element destruction. Examining physical thermal expansion and pressure traps. When water heats from 55 to 140 degrees, in older open plumbings, expanding water pushed backward. Modern plumbing codes require backflow preventers and check valves, creating closed plumbings inside residential homes. Enclosed. Thermal expansion has nowhere to go, spiking pressure from 50 psi to over 150. This repeated pressure spiking stresses pipe joints and water. To absorb expanded water, codes require thermal expansion tanks. Expansion tanks contain internal rubber butyl diaphragms separating air. Air is compressible, while liquid water is non-compressible. Expanding water pushes the rubber diaphragm upward, compressing air. Chapter 5. Explosion Prevention and Relief. When rubber diaphragms rupture inside expansion tanks, tanks become causing relief valves to drip continuously under thermal pressure. The primary safety device preventing tank explosions is the meaning temperature and pressure relief valve. T&P valves feature internal steel springs and wax thermal. If pressure inside tanks exceeds 150 psi, internal springs opening valve seats to discharge excess water pressure safely. If water temperature reaches 210 degrees Fahrenheit, wax inside thermal probes melts and expands, pushing valve water boils at 212 degrees at normal atmospheric pressure, but inside sealed tanks, water remains liquid over 250. If a superheated tank ruptures under pressure, sudden pressure drop causes superheated liquid to flash into steam, occupies 1,600 times more volume than liquid triggering. Violent volume surges known as a bleave explosion. Bleave explosions blast water heaters through roof lines like plumbing codes require T&P discharge pipes to terminate near high-stakes hazard. Capping dripping T&P valves creates a bomb. Never cap or block a relief valve discharge pipe. Homeowner checkpoint. Test your T&P valve annually by lifting. If no water discharges, replace the frozen relief valve. Chapter 6. Sediment Scale and Maintenance. Another major threat to water heater efficiency is mineral, as hard water heats, dissolved calcium and magnesium precipitate. Settling at the bottom of the tank is thick. In gas water heaters, sediment acts as thermal insulation, forcing gas burners to heat through scale and overheating. Overheated steel loses strength, leading to bottom leaks, and trapped moisture beneath mineral scale boils into popping steam, causing loud rumbling or popping noises during heating cycles. In electric water heaters, sediment buries lower heating elements, causing element wires to overheat and snap prematurely. Flushing 5 gallons of water annually from bottom drain, protecting tank floors and doubling operational lifespan. Chapter 7. Tankless and Hybrid Heat Pumps. Modern high-efficiency alternatives eliminate storage tank limitations. Tankless water heaters provide on-demand hot water without standing. They remain idle, keeping water cold until hot faucets when internal flow sensor turbines detect water movement, signaling control boards to ignite high-output gas burners instantaneously. Gas tankless units feature copper heat exchangers. Firing at water absorbs intense heat passing through narrow copper coils, delivering endless hot water while eliminating standby heat loss. Standard tanks lose thermal energy continuously through jacket walls, whereas tankless units save up to 30% on tankless heat exchangers require annual flushing with vinegar, clearing calcium scale buildup from narrow heat exchanger tubes. Hybrid heat pump water heaters represent the highest energy. Heat pumps utilize thermodynamic refrigeration cycles in reverse, using top-mounted compressor and evaporator assemblies. Top fans pull ambient warm basement air across evaporator where liquid refrigerant absorbs room heat and vaporizes into electric compressors, squeeze refrigerant gas, raising temperature over 1 hot refrigerant gas flows through coils wrapped around the transferring thermal energy into water. Instead of creating heat from scratch using electric coils, heat pumps move existing room heat into water, achieving a coefficient of performance, or COP, of 4.0. A COP of 4 delivers 4 heat units per operating 300% more efficiently than traditional storage tanks. As a bonus, heat pumps cool and dehumidify basement. Understanding thermal principles protects your home and wallet. Testing T&P relief valves and flushing sediment annually ensures mastering these plumbing fundamentals provides total peace of mind. Checking anode rods every 5 years extends tank life. Proper water pressure regulation keeps household plumbing running safely. Thanks for watching our home infrastructure breakdown. See you in the next residential engineering guide. Keep your home safe and fully operational always. Understanding water heaters saves thousands in emergency plumbing repairs. Proper maintenance prevents catastrophic basement water damage. Stay tuned for upcoming plumbing and electrical guides. Community prompt. Drop a comment below with your water.